Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and this is your...
Hate it when I get my Schwartz twisted.
Photo News Fix. This fix is brought to you by Storyblocks and their massive inventory of studio quality stock footage. If you've ever been in need of a quick video clip for B-roll, After Effects templates, or motion background, Storyblocks has you covered. We've used B-roll from Storyblocks extensively over the years, including in the
So this is 40
video, where Steven grabbed the play screen video, TV static video, TV green screen graphic, and VCR eject sound. So as you can see, Storyblocks is there for us with royalty-free clips, audio, and graphics, and they can be there for you as well. To sign up for Storyblocks, head on over to storyblocks.com/fro. First up, I received numerous requests for my thoughts on this photo of the Carters.
Hit me.
No, Dan, not those Carters, these Carters, along with Joe and Jill Biden. What is this, a room for ants? And, well, giant people?
Hey, the room is getting smaller. No, it's not. He's getting bigger.
Basically, as soon as this photo was posted, people started to ask why the Carters look so tiny in comparison to the Bidens. Now, there's a simple explanation for this.
So tell us. Very well.
Lens distortion caused by an ultra-wide angle lens. Jill and Joe are closer to the camera, whereas Jim and Rosalind are more set back in their easy chairs. What stands out to me more than anything are that President Carter's feet are cut off. That always gets me.
Mention my name, they won't cut your feet off.
Whoa, look at the size of those feet. They are massive. This is basically, to quote Todd Wolfe, hot in the streets right now. I mean, just look at this photo of Khloe Kardashian winning.
It's how you perceive it.
Twitter user by the name of DemSwag posted a distortion-corrected version of the image, and you can see it looks more normal. Now, I'm not gonna rip on this photographer at all, as they were not only dealing with capturing this image in a tiny space, but probably had about 13.5 seconds to capture it. The moral of the story, just be careful with your wide-angle lenses.
Christy.
Today is May 4th, which means
Nerds.
nerds are gonna go around saying, "May the 4th be with you."
And also with you.
But hey, if you're a nerd or not a nerd and want to grab this Space Edition shirt, head on over to store.froknowsphoto.com. Next up, in some very sad Sony news, it looks like it's the end of the line for their A-mount and DSLRs. That's right, Sony actually did make a few DSLRs back in the day, and some that were actually pretty cool. But now it looks like they've discontinued the A68, A6700, and an A99 II. Now, I've personally never used one of their DSLRs, but I think I got to touch one of them when I was in Germany for Photokina many, many years ago. Look, I'm wearing a tutu. Now, I can't believe that these things hung around this long, to be honest, and I'm not sure how many people actually bought one to begin with, but if you'd like to see me find an A99 II and some A-mount lenses, I might take you up on that challenge and do a shoot with them. Just go ahead and hit that thumbs up to let me know you want to see me do that. Next up, Canon has confirmed, or shall I say Canon Russia has confirmed, a few tidbits about the forthcoming R3 to a site called Photo Web Expo, and I wonder if they were hacked or something.
Run antivirus.
Canon Russia classifies the R3 as a professional/advanced amateur camera and is not intended to replace the 1DX Mark III, which I personally find hard to believe. Next, they go on to say that this camera is aimed towards wildlife, sports, racing, and photojournalism type photographers. But what about GWCs who do nude portraiture? What about them? Insert joke here. Nope. That was joke enough. They go on to say that the new line will be slotted between the EOS R5 and a future flagship camera. Basically, it seems like Canon is doing everything in their power to stretch this development announcement out as long as possible.
We get there when we get there.
Opposed to doing what Sony does, which is poof. We have a new flagship camera that never leaked, and oh yeah, you'll have one in your hands tomorrow. Oh, what's that sound? Oh, I guess that's the Canon money truck backing away. The interview continues with the question on whether or not Canon will open up their RF mount to third parties, to which no translation is actually needed, because the answer was niet. Is that kind of like, not? Hey Canon, can you just release all the damn specs already instead of attempting to trickle them down?
Let me show you a chart.
If the last 40 years have shown us anything, it's that trickling things down doesn't work.
Did he just go there?
And finally, Sony Alpha Rumors, who gets it right about 23.2% of the time, is at it once again. They're claiming with 99% certainty that a new camera will be announced in late May and will replace the A6600, have a similar body as its predecessor, and will be branded a vlogger camera. Damn, I was hoping it was a TikTok camera. They go on to say there's a 65% chance that the following specs are correct, that the name will be the A6700.
Survey said.
Have a 32 megapixel sensor, shoot 4K 60p 10-bit video, have a fully articulating screen, have the same form factor or is identical to the A7C and include a better LCD and EVF, and have minor tweaks to the body, which wouldn't make it identical to the A7C. Now, would it, smart guy?
Duh.
Now, if I had to put a number on it, I would say there's a 37% chance that 14% of these rumors will be correct. If the camera's an A6700 and is geared towards vloggers, I know where I'll be taking it to test it out.
Oh, there it is. Nailed it.
And there you have it. That's your photo news fix this time around. To check out the last fix, go ahead and click on the screen right here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And that's where I'm gonna leave it. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya!